All right. Right now, the Cubs are up to bat. Vaughn is right there on third base. Ooh. Oh. Oh, where'd it go? Pitcher's got it. Ooh. That's okay. All right, now Vaughn's got a runner. Be ready, Vaughn. Be ready. I can't see because there's a guy in the way. Let's see if he can hit it. Ooh, foul tip. Oh, get it, Vaughn. Oh, get your base. Oh, it's okay. Good hustle. I gotta make sure I save some battery because Vaughn will be up to bat next. Just gotta cover that base. Ooh. He's so cute out there. I wish this guy wouldn't stop moving. Trying to see if Vaughn will do something. I know it's kind of boring to watch right now. All right. Get him out. Oh, man. Pay attention.